I open the window. I make the bed. I watch the TV. I watch the TV. I read a book. I water the plants. The plants. I lock the door.
I turn off lights.
I sweep the floor. I fix the lamp. I feed the cat. I wash the car. I close the curtains.
I change my clothes. I change my clothes.
I hang the picture. I check the mail. Please subscribe to English with Sophia YouTube channel.